Configuring the serial connection. If you haven't already watched the Connecting via RS-232 training module, it is highly recommended that you go back and do so at this time. Once you have properly made all your physical connections between your computer and the ZonePro device, you are ready to go online. Now, when I say online, I'm not referring to the internet. What I'm referring to is when ZonePro Designer is properly connected to a ZonePro device, in which case the programming can be performed in real time. The default settings within ZonePro Designer may allow you to go online. However, if the ZonePro icon did not automatically appear in the upper left-hand corner of the main ZonePro Designer window, then you need to make some changes. To get started, select Network and Properties. The Networking Wizard window will open. The first thing you can do is make sure the Automatically Go Online when the application starts checkbox is checked. You will then need to ensure that Use Serial Ports is checked. Also, make sure to select the proper COM port from the drop-down menu. Click the Next button. Click the Next button one more time. This is the address resolution page. The first line in the table is designated for the ZonePro Designer GUI application itself. All connected ZonePro devices should appear in the rows below. If nothing appears, then ZonePro Designer is not detecting any connected devices. To start troubleshooting, click the Finish button. Left-click on the Windows Start menu. Select the Control Panel option from the menu. You may be in Category View. If you're in Category View, select the Switch to Classic View option on the left side. Now, locate your system icon and double left-click on it. The System Properties window will open. Now, select the Hardware tab, then Device Manager. Locate the Ports option. If you do not see this Ports option, then your computer does not have a serial port connection, or you have not properly installed the drivers for your adapter. Click on the plus sign to expand the list to see your options. As you can see here, I'm using a USB to serial adapter, which is assigned to COM3. Double left-clicking on the COM port will open the Properties page for that COM port connection. You may want to check the Port Settings tab. The default bits per second setting for most COM ports is 9600. We recommend changing this to 57600. This then matches the baud rate of the ZonePro devices. If you decide to change the COM port assignment, you can do so by clicking the Advanced button. You can then select your COM port assignment number. In most cases, you should not have to change this setting. After changing your bits per second setting, just click OK. You can then close these other windows, as they are no longer needed. Now that we know that our computer's COM port is assigned to COM3, all we have to do is set ZonePro Designer to match. Just go back into the Networking Wizard by selecting Network, then Properties. In the Networking Wizard, all I have to do is deselect COM1, then select COM3. Clicking the Next button twice will take me back into the address resolution page. As you can see, ZonePro Designer has now detected a ZonePro device. So to go online, I just click Finish, go back up to the Network menu item and select Go Online. ZonePro Designer will then scan the network again, and the connected device appears in the upper left-hand corner of the main ZonePro Designer window. Double left-clicking this icon will open the program screen. Once the device's program is loaded into ZonePro Designer, you can then begin programming this device in real time.